Hello, this is a tutorial on 1.10B2-2, solving word problems and writing two variable equations for those. So we're going to write the equations and we're going to solve them. So my instructions are probably a little bit different than whatever the original sheet has. That's why they're covered up. So I know that I'm going to make a chart for every one of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and start it. Technology fee for your pager is $22 a month. Make a function table that shows your total charges for 1, 2, 3, and 4 months. My X and my Y. And let's see, 1 month is going to be 22, 2 months, 44, 3 months, 66, 4 months, 88. So there's my table. So, and these would all be in dollars. So really, my two variable equation is the y is equal to 22x, which means the total cost, or the cost, C, is equal to 22m. And this is the number of months. So here's my two variable equation. And then let's see, I guess technically I would have to have dollar signs for these, so I couldn't squeeze them into my table. All right. The second problem I hate. The second problem, yeah, it's ugly. Joe takes 2 steps for every 1 step that Kim takes. Write an equation in 2 variables showing the relationship between Joe's steps and Kim's steps. If Kim takes 15 steps, how many steps will Joe have to take to cover the same distance? The reason why I think it's ugly is I think there's 2 ways you can make this chart, and they're not really specific as to how they want the 2 variable equation written. So I did 2 different charts. If Kim takes 1 step, Joe takes 2. That's what they said. Kim takes 2, Joe 4. Kim 3, Joe 6. I also did it the other way. If Joe takes 2 steps, Kim only takes 1. Joe takes 4, Kim takes 2. So there's 2 different ways you could write this equation in. So this one could be y equals 2x, or in this case, Joe is equal to 2 times Kim, or it could be equal to Kim is equal to, 1/2 of Joe. Or it could even be written, put this one over here, could also be written as Kim equals Joe divided by 2. Those would be the exact same thing. So a couple different ways you could write that 2 variable equation. And it's because I'm asking you to write a 2 variable equation, and they're just asking you to solve the problem. So to solve the problem, if Kim takes 15 steps, what's Joe going to take? Joe's going to take 30, because it's always double. There we go. All right, let's try one more here. This one tends to be kind of a challenging problem for kids, number 4, so I'll do this one. Skip over 3. Grant earns $5 for each magazine he sells. Write an equation with 2 variables showing the relationship between the number of magazines he sold and the money he made. So my X and my Y, 0, 1, 2. 0 magazines, $0. 1 magazine, he gets $5. 2 magazines, $10. Well, this is pretty clear that this is a Y equals 5 times X. So the 2 variable equation would be his earnings equal 5 times the number of magazines. That's the 2 variable equation. If Grant sells 12 magazines, how much money will he make? Well, his earnings will equal 5 times 12, or his earnings will equal $60. All right, I'll have you work through the last 3 by yourself. Good luck.